Dear children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School. Today, let's pass on to the last topic in the chapter, namely elasticity of demand. Law of demand we studied. Demand increases with a fall in price. Demand decreases with a rise in price. Law of demand gives us a qualitative statement and direction of change in demand due to change in price. In the law of demand, never we studied how much demand is changing when the own price is changing. Law of demand gives us a qualitative statement. Here, under elasticity of demand, we study how much or the magnitude of change in demand due to change in price. Elasticity of demand gives us a quantitative measurement, that is, how much demand is changing due to change in price. It gives us a quantitative measurement, or we can understand the magnitude of change in demand due to change in price. Elasticity of demand is a technical concept used to denote change in demand due to change in price. It is generally known as price elasticity of demand. It gives us degree of responsiveness of demand due to change in price. It is a percentage concept. It shows percentage change in demand due to percentage change in price. Okay, so how can we say? Elasticity of demand is a technical concept used to denote change in demand due to change in price. It is generally known as price elasticity of demand. It shows the degree of responsiveness of demand due to change in price. Okay? Based on the degree of responsiveness of demand due to change in price, we have 5 types of elasticity of demand. Okay? What are they? Perfectly elastic demand. Second one, perfectly inelastic demand. Third one, elastic demand. Fourth one, inelastic demand. And fifth one, unitary elastic demand. Based on the degree of responsiveness of demand due to change in price, we have 5 types of elasticity of demand. First one, perfectly elastic demand. Elasticity of demand is equal to infinite. Extreme case. Second one, just the opposite of first one, perfectly inelastic demand. Elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Third one, elastic demand. Elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Fourth one, inelastic demand. Elasticity of demand is less than 1. Elasticity of demand generally means price elasticity of demand. And fifth one, unitary elastic demand, that is elasticity of demand is equal to 1. I told you already, it's a percentage concept. It shows percentage change in demand due to percentage change in price. Okay? First one, perfectly elastic demand. Extreme case, imaginary case. Elasticity of demand is equal to infinite. That is, demand is infinite at the prevailing price. Demand changes, without any change in price. Suppose, extreme case, an imaginary concept. Suppose demand changes even without a change in price. Demand is infinite, at the prevailing price. It is known as elasticity of demand is equal to infinite. Demand remains infinite. Infinite means what? Unlimited. At the prevailing price, at the existing price. x-axis demand, y-axis price. This is the demand curve. Shows elasticity of demand is equal to infinite. Horizontal line, demand curve is a horizontal line parallel to x-axis. Demand remains infinite at the prevailing price. That is, demand changes, even without a change in price. Okay. The demand curve, what's the shape? Horizontal line parallel to x-axis. Okay. Horizontal line parallel to x-axis. X-axis parallel curve. Horizontal line, parallel to x-axis. What's the meaning? Demand is infinite at the prevailing price. Demand change even without a demand changes, even without a change in price. Okay. Second case, perfectly inelastic demand, just the opposite of the first case. That is, elasticity of demand is equal to 0. You see the demand curve, just the opposite, vertical straight line parallel to y-axis. That is perfectly inelastic demand. Elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Price elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Demand curve is vertical straight line parallel to y-axis. Here, whether the price is high or low, demand remains more or less the same. Whether the price is high or low, demand remains the same. It is non-responsive. It is not responding to price changes. Okay. So, first case, infinite horizontal line. Second case, just the opposite, 0 vertical line. Here demand changes even without a change in price. Here, whatever may be the price, whether the price is high or low, demand remains the same. Non-responsive. Demand is non-responsive. Here, highly responsive, right? Infinite at the prevailing price. Here, non-responsive. Whether the price is high or low, demand remains the same. Okay. The third case, elastic demand. The curve you see, flatter demand curve. Demand curve is flatter. In the case of elastic demand, price elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Here, the percentage change in demand is greater than percentage change in price. Isn't it? How can you show here? The percentage change in demand is greater than the percentage change in price. For example, a 50% decrease in price. For example, a 50% decrease in price, 80% increase in demand. Okay. For example, a 50% decrease in price will bring about 80% increase in demand. The percentage change in demand is greater than percentage change in price. Demand is said to be elastic, that is greater than 1. Flatter demand curve shows elastic demand. Okay. Now next one, inelastic demand. Just the opposite. Elasticity of demand is less than 1. You see steep curve. Steeper curve, steeper curve shows inelastic demand. Here the percentage change in demand is lesser than the percentage change in price. The percentage change in demand is lesser than the percentage change in price. How can we show? Elasticity of demand less than 1. The percentage change in demand is lesser than the percentage change in price. For example, 50% decrease in price will bring about only 30% increase in demand. Okay. Demand curve is a steeper curve, which shows elasticity of demand is less than 1. Next, fifth one, unitary elastic demand, elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Here, percentage change in demand is equal to percentage change in price. For example, 50% decrease in price will bring about 50% increase in demand. Okay, demand is said to be unitary elastic, or it is equal to 1. You see a downward sloping straight line demand curve. Okay, a downward sloping straight line demand curve shows unitary elastic curve. How can you say this? A 50% decrease in demand will bring about 50%, that is a 50% decrease in price will bring about a 50% increase in demand. Okay? And let us draw all these degree of responsiveness under a single diagram. OX axis demand, OY axis price. You see vertical elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Horizontal curve infinite. Downward sloping straight line demand curve equal to 1. Less than 1, greater than 1. Flatter curve, steeper curve. Okay? Horizontal, vertical, downward sloping straight line demand curve. Like this. Flatter curve, steeper curve. Under a single diagram also, we can show all these types of elasticity of demand. Vertical elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Horizontal, infinite. This curve shows unitary elastic demand. Here, less than 1 elastic demand. Less than 1 inelastic demand. Here, greater than 1 elastic demand. Greater than 1 flatter curve, less than 1 steeper curve. Okay? A flat curve shows more elastic demand. A steep curve shows less elastic demand. Vertical means 0 elasticity. Horizontal means it is infinite. Okay? So what are they? Perfectly elastic demand, that is elasticity of demand is equal to infinite horizontal line. Second one, 0 vertical line. Flatter curve, shows more elastic demand. Steeper curve, shows less elastic demand. This is exactly unitary elastic demand. All these can be shown under a single diagram. How can we conclude? It's a technical concept used to denote change in demand due to change in price. It shows the degree of responsiveness of demand due to change in price. It gives us how much demand changes when the price changes. The magnitude, gives us a quantitative measurement. And based on that, we have 5 types that we can show through diagram also. Perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, elastic demand, inelastic demand, and unitary elastic demand. This is also a percentage concept. Shows percentage change in demand due to percentage change in price. Okay? Thank you.